Mayor Gong said in the next 5 years, the city will increase elevator installations, renovate old residential compounds, and add more parking spaces.
Within 3 years, we'll wrap up renovations of old residential communities, increase shared parking spaces, and install elevators in old residential buildings. Another 30 projects in 10 categories are lined up this year.
The mayor also said the city government's website and app will be simplified. Work will be done to improve riverside scenic areas along the Huangpu River and Suzhou Creek and have up to 1,000 parks. The goal is for people to be within a 10-minute walk of green spaces and a 30-minute drive of a major park. Digitalization remains a priority. Gong said the city will improve digital economy infrastructure, digital ways of living, and digital urban management. A 3-year plan will be laid out for each. Officials also said 5 new suburban towns are essential for future strategic development. The goal is to make them support towns in terms of industry, living, and transportation. Publicity officials also said efforts are being made to preserve Red Revolutionary cultural resources. A memorial for the Communist Party of China's first National Congress will be completed by April. Another 5 sites that are essential to the founding of the party have been renovated. A regulation on the inheritance and protection of red resources is set to be published on July 1st. Siqi, Shanghai Live.